अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों। बदनी प्राइमरी उर्दू स्कूल जोगेश्वरी स्टैंडर्ड 4 सब्जेक्ट EVS 1। टुडे our topic name is lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things, यानी जानदारों का बाहमी ताल्लुक। फर्स्ट लेटर riddle solve. An age-old tree with a thick, strong trunk gives deep, dark shade from the scorching sun. Like an old man's beard with many strands, it has ropes for swinging from every branch. Anyone guess the riddle? Yes, it is a banyan tree. Banyan tree is widespread tree which gives deep dark shade to the passers-by and shelter to the birds and animals. That is why it is said trees are our best friend. There are some more trees such as betelvine, palus, flame of the forest, fenugreek, methi, वसाका, अडुलसा, करी लीफ प्लांट्स जिसे आप करी पत्ता भी कहते हैं. These are very useful plants. Many medicines are made by these plants. इनसे बहुत सी दवाइयाँ भी बनाई जाती हैं. Environment. In our environment, there are living things and non-living things. Let's see living things and what is the interrelationship between living things. In living things, animals, plants, human beings and insects are come. All these things are connected to each other. Every living thing needs food, water, air, shelter and clothes. Every living thing needs these basic necessities, but everyone's needs are different. The water a mouse drinks in an entire day would not be enough for an elephant at one time. A butterflies feed on the nectar of flowers. Can a frog do the same? A sheep eats the leaves of shrubs. Can a tiger do the same? A fish can breathe in water, but can a pigeon do that? Bulrushes grow in water. Can a lemon tree do so? इसका मतलब मुख्तलिफ जानदारों की ज़रूरतें मुख्तलिफ होती है, लेकिन ये माहौल से ही पूरी होती है. Living things live only where all their needs are fulfilled. जानदारों की ज़रूरतें जहाँ पूरी होती हैं वो वहीं पाए जाते हैं. Let's take the example of the tiger. A tiger has stripes. Its prey cannot see in the grass because of the stripes. Animals like deer, nilgai, bison in grassland are found. Water hold dense vegetation, tall grasses, caves in hills and mountains are places where tigers are found. Tiger also needs to be a water hole nearby which never dries up even in the summer. Animals are our friend. जानवर हमारे दोस्त. We keep animals in order to satisfy some of our needs. It is called domestic animals. We get meat, milk, eggs. Some animals are used for carrying burdens and drawing cards, and also doing heavy farm works in field. कुछ जानवर बोझ उठाते हैं और खेती के काम करते हैं. कुत्ता घर की रखवाली करता है. Dog guards our houses. We love animals and animals too return our affection. Sheep gives us wool. फ्रॉम वुल वी मेक वुलन क्लोथ्स। जानवरों के फासिद मादे भी इंसानों के लिए मुफीद होते हैं, फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं। एक्सक्रेटा ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स इज़ ऑल्सो यूजफुल। एक्सक्रेटा मीन्स एनिमल्स पॉटी। फ्रॉम डंक ऑफ कैटल, dung cakes are made. Dung cakes are used as fuel and plastering mud houses. From cattle dung and sheep pellets, manures are made. Like animals, plants are also our friends. Plants gives us food grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers and cotton wool. From cotton wool we make cotton clothes. कॉटन वुल से, सूती धागे से सूती कपड़े बनाए जाते हैं। We need plants too. We have to take care of plants. For growing plants, we have to sow seed, give water, give manure, and spray pesticides when it is necessary. शजरी हैवानात यानी arboreal animals. Animals which live and grow on tree are called arboreal animals. Like monkey and squirrels live on trees. ऊंचाई पर रहने की वजह से दुश्मनों से अपनी हिफाजत करना उन्हें आसान हो जाता है और वो फल खाकर अपना पेट भरते हैं. By living on tree, they defend themselves from their enemies and can eat fruits when they feel hungry. As they move in surroundings, they spread seeds through their droppings. Dropping means their potty. Because of these, new trees grow. यहाँ से वहाँ जाने में अपने फासिद मादों के ज़रिए नई जगह पर दरख्त उगने में मदद करते हैं. Trees are also useful for building birds' nest. An egret rides on a buffalo's back. Let's see why it is so. Certain kind of egret feeds on different kinds of insects, but they are hidden in the grass. The egret cannot see and catch them. बगला उन कीड़ों को नहीं देख सकता, इसलिए घास में चरती हुई भैंस जब कदम आगे बढ़ाती है तो उसका पैर जहाँ पड़ता है आसपास के कीड़े घबराकर उड़ जाते हैं और भैंस पर बैठा हुआ बगला उन्हें आसानी से पकड़कर खा जाता है. अच्छी है ना ये तरकीब? हाँ, इसी तरह जानदार एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. हर तरह के जानदार अपनी ग़िज़ाई अशिया माहौल से हासिल करते हैं और वो गैर मानूस तरीके से एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड होते हैं. लिविंग थिंग्स गेट फूड फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट.